In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a video in WP Travel Engine for the year 2025. If you're looking to enhance your travel website by including engaging videos that bring your trips to life, you've come to the right place. Sit back and let's get started by walking you through the process, step by step. First, you'll need to log into your WordPress dashboard. This is the central hub for managing your WordPress site, so having access to it is essential for making any changes or updates. Once you're logged in, you'll need to navigate to the left sidebar where you will see an option labeled Trips. Click on it and then select All Trips to view a list of existing trips. Alternatively, if you're in the process of creating a brand new trip, click on Add New Trip. This flexibility allows you to either update current trips with videos or start fresh with a new one. Once you've selected or created a trip, it's time to click on Edit under the trip you want to modify. This brings you into the editing view where you can change the details of your trip. As you scroll down the page, keep an eye out for the section that is designated for the trip gallery or video. Depending on the theme you have set up for your travel site, this section might appear slightly different, but generally it's where you'll find all media-related content. Now, in this section, locate the field labeled Trip Video URL. This is where you will be pasting the link to your video. It's important to ensure the link is either from YouTube or Vimeo, as WP Travel Engine supports these platforms seamlessly. Copy the URL of your chosen video and then paste it into this field. Once you've got the video URL in place, it's time to save your changes. Be sure to click on the Update button if you're editing an existing trip, or Publish if you're finalizing a new trip. This step is crucial as it commits your changes, making sure your video will appear for viewers. Finally, to see your work in action, visit the trip page on your site. Look for your video in the gallery section or on the trip overview, depending on how your current theme displays it. And there you have it. Your video is now live, adding an immersive multimedia element to your travel listings. That wraps up our guide on adding a video to WP Travel Engine. With these straightforward steps, you can enrich your website's content and offer visitors a vibrant and engaging experience. Thanks for watching, and remember to check back for more tips and tutorials to help you make the most of your WordPress site.